Welcome to Our Daily Health. Cough. 17 effective home remedies with honey to treat a cough. Cold, allergy, and bacterial infections are the likely causes behind your cough. Instead of taking these medicines from the pharmacy that may include several side effects, why not try the most natural way to stop your cough? Honey. One survey by the European Respiratory Society of 18,277 people between the ages of 20 to 48 reported nocturnal cough, 30% productive and 10% non-productive. Honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties which have been proven to manage different ailments, and cough is not an exception. Whether it's chronic or intermittent, honey will handle it. In this video, let's explore 17 effective home remedies with honey to treat your cough. Number 1. Milk and honey. These two natural products will treat your condition excellently. One 2015 study by the National Library of Medicine showed that mixing a half a cup of milk, use raw milk, and 2 tablespoons of honey was effective as the over-the-counter levodropazine and dextromethorphan. This mixture is tasty. You cannot compare it with the usual medicines. Number 2. Lemon, honey, and flax. When mixed with a liquid, flax forms a stretchy substance that offers relief from the symptoms. Honey does the same. Lemon reduces mucus. If your condition is caused by tonsillitis or postnasal drip, lemon is your go-to remedy. Boil 3 tablespoons of flax seeds in 1 cup of water, strain the mixture, and add 3 tablespoons. Take 1 tablespoon of the mixture as required. Number 3. Honey syrup and elderberry. You're probably wondering how this mixture works, isn't it? Honey has antifungal and antibacterial effects, which clears infections perfectly. To use this remedy, boil half a cup of elderberries. Let it simmer for 30 minutes and strain. Add 1 cup of honey and consume it. Repeat the process daily until you see significant changes. Number 4. Turmeric, milk, and honey. This combination is excellent. Both turmeric and honey have antifungal and antibacterial properties. Make a glass of turmeric milk and a half a teaspoon of honey. Stir well and drink the solution daily before bedtime. Number 5. Honey and tulsi. Are you wondering what tulsi is? Tulsi is also known as holy basil, a medicinal herb with antibacterial properties. When mixed with honey, it makes a perfect remedy for cough. Here is what you do. Steep a handful of tulsi leaves in a cup of boiling water, add your desired amount of honey after it cools, and drink the mixture. Number 6. Honey jello. Yes, you heard that right. Jello is a slang word for gelatin. Gelatin coats your throat, hence giving relief from your symptoms. Here's what you need to do. Dissolve gelatin in a glass of warm water, not so long to prevent clumping. Add honey, give it a proper mix, and then drink the liquid daily until you see significant changes. Number 7. Honey, lemon, and glycerin. Yes, glycerin can be used for medicinal purposes. Follow this process to prepare the remedy. Whisk honey, lemon juice, and glycerin in a bowl. Preserve the mixture in an airtight container and consume a teaspoon every day to alleviate symptoms. For it to last longer, store in the refrigerator. Number 8. Honey, flour, butter, and egg yolk. Who said eggs couldn't help with respiratory issues? This is one fantastic remedy for cold and related problems. Here is what you do. Whisk 2 egg yolks, 30 grams of honey, flour, and butter in a bowl. Take 1 teaspoon of the mixture before meals daily. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 9. Honey and cinnamon. Don't you love the aroma and taste of this herb? It is heavenly. It has impressive health benefits, including fighting cold and other respiratory issues. Especially when added to honey, it becomes double effective. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon of honey and cinnamon, then consume it. Do this regularly for better results. Number 10. Buckwheat honey. Buckwheat is rich in microfighting properties and antioxidants, which can alleviate cold symptoms. Wondering how to use it? Add 2 teaspoons of buckwheat honey into a cup of warm water or fruit juice. Mix well and drink up. You can add lemon juice or a pinch of pepper powder. Take the mixture daily for incredible results. Number 11. Honey, vinegar, and butter. Vinegar is a natural antiseptic, while butter has soothing effects on your throat. This makes it a perfect combination for your problem. Mix 1 teaspoon of vinegar and honey, add a little butter, combine properly, and eat the mixture. Repeat twice daily until symptoms disappear. Number 12. Honey wrap. You are probably wondering what a honey wrap is. Here's the thing. Make a thick mixture of honey and coconut flour, add melted coconut oil to the mixture, spread the mixture on a gauze, and wrap it using a cheesecloth. Place it on your chest, below the throat, and secure it using medical tape. Leave it overnight. Number 13. Honey, apple cider vinegar, and cayenne pepper. How will cayenne pepper ease my problem, you ask? According to research, cayenne pepper has capsaicin, a component with anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and expectorant properties. Combine 1 teaspoon of honey, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, and cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix properly and drink the solution thrice a day. Number 14. Honey and carrots. While honey is loaded with properties to clear infections related to the respiratory system, carrots can also do that perfectly because they're loaded with nutrients, antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. To prepare this home remedy, extract carrot juice using a blender, use a little water, add honey into the liquid, and consume it thrice daily until your symptoms subside. Number 15. Honey, oregano, and garlic. How can garlic miss on this list? Garlic has potent compounds that can stop cold and the associated symptoms in no time. How to use it? Add chopped garlic and oregano into a cup of boiled water, let it simmer for 5 minutes, and strain it once it cools. Add a tablespoon of honey and consume the mixture twice a day, daily. Number 16. Honey, lemon, and coconut oil. This combination can also alleviate your symptoms effectively. To use this remedy, mix a 1/4 cup of honey, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a saucepan on low heat until the coconut oil melts. Remove it from the heat and preserve it in a container after consuming a spoonful of it. Put it in the fridge, but warm it before subsequent use. Number 17. Honey and lemon. Have you tried this remedy at home before? It is straightforward. The vitamin C in lemon has anti-inflammatory effects, which can help fight infections. In a glass of warm water, add honey, 1 tablespoon, deep fresh lemon pieces into the water. Keep sipping or mix honey and lemon juice and consume the mixture daily. Final word. A cough can be devastating, especially if it's a dry, persistent cough. Organisms such as bacteria and fungus cause it. Sometimes it can be an allergy. However, luckily, there are home remedies that can cease it naturally. Implement these home remedies with honey, and hopefully your symptoms will disappear fast. Which of these cough home remedies with honey do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.